Okay. So, good morning, my dear colleagues and students. I would like to introduce today's speaker, Dr. Anmol Kumar Goyal, Vice Principal, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. Dr. Anmol Kumar Goyal, Vice Principal, GNIT under JNTH Hyderabad, has obtained his BE Electronics from Mumbai University. He did his post-graduation and PhD in Electronics and Communication from Punjab Technical University. He has also qualified the GATE in Electronics and Communication. His research areas is wireless communication. He has published 12 research papers in international journals. He has presented many research papers in different international and national conferences also. He has two books on microprocessors. He has attended several short-term courses on different topics. He has guided more than 12 PG students and many undergraduate students in their project and thesis work. He has more than 19 years of teaching experience. He has served as HOD, Dean Engineering Principal before being hired as Vice Principal of his institute. So here I would like to play a video of his recorded video. So I think he will enjoy his lecture, his deliver of lecture. Thank you.
Hello, students and faculty members. Myself, Dr. Anmol Kumar Goyal, Vice Principal and Dean Academics, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. So today I'll give you a brief insight of this incubation, business incubation, whatever activities we have done till now at Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. So I'll be telling you whatever activities we have done, and apart from that, I'll tell you that how to, submit a business incubation idea. So far, we have submitted something around 17, 18 different business ideas. Okay. So ideas have been submitted by our students and as well as by faculty also. So we are an authorized business incubation host institute authorized by the Ministry of MSME. Now, a brief introduction about the different programs here in GNIT. So here we have civil engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, and electrical and electronics engineering. Apart from that, we have 3 postgraduate courses also. Master of Business Administration MBA is there, M.Tech in CSE, and M.Tech in Embedded System, it is there. Now here, this is some building blocks of campus we have a spacious GNIT building which houses 6 departments, okay, from many facilities and amenities for the student as well as for the staffs. Now regarding this incubation, so this is our, this approval letter from the Ministry of MSME. That is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, Government of India. Since, here in GNIT, we have a legacy of, doing research and development right from its inception. So here are some IPR published and awarded to our faculty. So our faculty and, were the managing director, Dr. H.S. Saini. They have published many IPR. So a total of 12 IPR patents have been published and awarded. Now, let us talk about what kind of facilities we have here to give a best environment and best culture for business incubation. Here we are having Center for Innovation, Incubation, Research and Development. So under this umbrella, we have different advanced technology centers. So different centers are there. First is Center for Innovation in Drone Technology. So nowadays, you know that drone technology is, very much in limelight. And very much in use. Its commercial use has started. Okay, so in many applications in healthcare, in communication, okay, to in logistics. Okay, so there are many applications for drones. We know that. Okay, for surveillance. Likewise, another for this. Mechanical engineering, we have another advanced technology center, that is Center for Automotive Research and Development. Okay, so here, this research center, that is Center for Automotive Research and Development, it is housed in a big spacious building, and there they have developed, many projects students have developed, and recently, one of their design, they designed an go-kart vehicle. So that go-kart vehicle, okay, they stood first in IIT Madras. So there was a competition all over India. From all over India, students participated there. So our go-kart, that design, they got the first prize. Again, third, we have E-Yantra Lab. So E-Yantra Lab is basically in collaboration with IIT Bombay. So this is all about the robotics. So here, students design different kind of, robots. Again, Center of Innovation in Robotics and Industrial Application is there. Okay, so again, that is a different, kind of robotics lab we are having. So right from the second year, okay, EC, IT, and CSC students, they are, taught about this robotics. Center for Excellence in VLSI Design and Embedded System also. So for EC students, okay, we know that chip designing is an hot area, and nowadays there are excellent job opportunities for the student in VLSI area. So for this also we have a separate center. So these are some glimpses of our advanced technology centers. This is students, they are working in our automotive research and development center. E-Yantra Lab, collaboration with IIT Bombay. Center of Innovation, Robotics and Industrial Applications. Center of Innovation in VLSI Design and Embedded Systems. Apart from that, we have Center of Excellence, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So you might be knowing, you must be aware of this artificial and machine learning. It's a buzzword now, you know that, okay. Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence and machine learning. And lot of research all over world, lot of research is going in these areas, okay. And you'll be surprised that in coming years we are going to have millions of jobs in these areas. Apart from that, we have automotive center for this advanced technology center for solar applications, okay. For mechanical engineering, automotive center is there. Civil engineering, computational civil engineering, that center is there. So 3D printing is a major this learning area in mechanical engineering. It is there. Internet of Things, you know that it's a talk of the town nowadays. Internet of Things. So a lot of research is going on and lot of job opportunities there in IoT. Apart from that, Adobe UI UX center is there. Okay, so another we have a full-fledged separate center for cloud technology also. So these are our AI and machine learning lab. So students are working, in AI and machine learning programs. This is our this solar application centers. So here students can learn how solar energy is produced, and we have full-fledged at solar panels installed on the rooftops in our institutes, okay, and how it is that solar energy is converted into electrical energy. So everything about solar energy production is there to learn. That is our go-kart center, automotive center. So there student different kinds of vehicles. This is Geometrics Advanced Research Center there for civil engineering. Students basically from civil engineering, they are trained in different these advanced softwares like 3D CAD design, STAT Pro, okay, 3D imaging and mapping solutions, like that. Waste water solutions. This is our non-destructive testing. Okay, this research center is there. Civil engineering, concrete technology lab is there. This is that 3D printing machine. This is about our IoT center, where Arduino-based, projects are, designed by students under the guidance of faculty members. This is our mobile computing center for CSC and IT students. Big data center. So this is our Center of Excellence for Adobe UIX. So actually JNIT has signed an agreement with Adobe to provide specialized courses. So they are trained in UX and UI design process technologies. This is our another, this center is there, Red Hat Center for Excellence in Cloud Technologies. So exclusively for cloud technology, we have collaborated. We have a collaboration with Red Hat Technology. They provide certificate course in cloud technology. Apart from this, you see, whenever, is
Pawan Kalyan, mute yourself.
takes admission in engineering college. Okay. So he has in mind that he has to learn something. Okay. Then he has to find some good job in some good organization. But nowadays, scenario is somewhat different. Why scenario is different? Nowadays, we are facing a cutthroat competition in job market. Okay. Gone are the days when, there is a set curriculum in all universities. Okay. So student has to study that curriculum. And whenever, he gets passed out, okay, after his final year, so he gets job in some government organization or in some private organizations. But that was the scenario some 25, 30, 30, 40 years before. Okay. At that time, not many student, opted for these engineering courses, that. And at that time, only, convention 3-4 branches were there, like mechanical, all core branches, electrical, or civil engineering. Okay. But nowadays, with this advancement of technology, this computer science advancement, IT is there. Now there is, some type of, fusion is taking place. Okay, that interdisciplinary, work is going on everywhere in the industry. Okay, what it means? See, an ECE, graduate engineer, he's working in some IT setup. Okay, he's working in this some software development. At the same time, a mechanical student also is working in some this software development or in some IT sector. Okay, mechanical engineer also, and reverse is also true. Okay, that is other way around also. An IT engineer, an EC engineer, and you can say CSC graduate. They work in automotive sector. They work in construction companies. So nowadays, if you analyze, okay, it's all about knowledge. Okay, basic knowledge, fundamentals, as well as you have to be aware about you have to learn new advanced technology. Otherwise, you'll not be preferred in this scenario. Okay. So for that, this is other is what nowadays you must have seen, must have heard that all state governments, all our central government, okay, from past 10-15 years, their focus is on entrepreneurship. Their focus is on entrepreneurship. Okay. So why it is that? Because what government wants, that student, a graduate engineer must come up with some startup idea. Okay. Student must start some entrepreneur. Okay. He should not run that mad rush of finding a job and everything. Okay. Because lakhs of graduate engineers are produced in India. Okay. So if we compare with the job opportunities, okay, so there is a great mismatch. So how to fill that gap? Only ways that all the graduate engineers, all the graduate, they don't have to go for that employment or jobs. They must start their own business, their own entrepreneur. Okay. So for that government, they made a roadmap. Okay. So for that roadmap, they encourage the students to come up with some business idea. They should start their some own business idea like that. But see, it is not easy to start a business. It's not easy. It involves finances also. It involves manpower also. It involves your space also. Okay, so everything is there. So for that, now Government of India, they have different agencies are there with Government of India to encourage startups. So they conducted a survey, they conducted a study. So there they observed that about 80% of engineering graduates, they are not employable. They don't have enough skills. Okay, they don't have enough skills to be employed by any organization, any company. So why it is that? Because they lack that kind of skills. Because an engineering graduate, okay, in a 4-year course, mostly our curriculum till now, is like that. Okay, they emphasize more on theory part rather than practical part. And moreover, what curriculum universities they all across India they offer, by the time you start, a student takes admission in first year. By that time, he passed out after 4 years. Okay, so that technology, the concept, okay, whatever he studied there in his curriculum, okay, that engineering curriculum. So by the time Then at that time, all was outdated. Okay. So there is a, gap is there between the skill demanded by the industry and the skill whatever a graduate engineering is having. Okay. To fill that gap, so they, you know, uh, given a guidelines to these universities, colleges, that they should come up with new advanced technology, centers. That is, student must be made aware. Okay, they must learn new technology, advanced technology, simultaneously with the regular curriculum. Okay. So for this, here in JNIT, we are having 14 advanced technology centers. I just, told you about whatever we are having here. Now, because of this advanced technology centers and, a proper guidance, many passed out student, okay, they have started their own business. So our 2016 batch student is there. This is Vaibhav Jaiswal. So he started company Niltech Private Limited. Okay, so which is doing in this technical training, 3D technology they are dealing with. Another group of student, 2016 batch, okay, they came up with one new concept, gift area. That is, they provide the best personalized gift, okay, through a single store. So they have their websites. Through website, you can order whatever gift, personal gifts, means that can be customized according to customer need. Okay. Again, our student in 2015 batch, Mohammad Abdul Rahman. So he started his domain 360. Okay, so that deals with car sales and all commercial car services like that. Another student, Navjot Singh. So he's having his own YouTube channel and deals in that fashion design. Another student has opened this EduRun app. Okay, so this app has ranked #1 position in Google for this outset result. So these are some startups, okay, which are student they initiated, okay, and now these students are being funded through this Ministry of MSMEs. Now, so here, what I tell you now, for an MSME center, okay, there are some prerequisites. Okay, so means what kind of a business incubation center have. Okay, so there are different thrust areas where we can have our technology business incubations. So here in GNIT, so we have listed some 4 or 5 areas where we are working, where we are developing different business ideas, and in turn we are submitting those ideas to the Ministry of MSMEs. Okay. So these areas are, first is this information and communication technology, Internet of Things, energy, non-conventional energy, drone technology, automotives, okay, water. Okay, what is there in water means different projects, business idea on rainwater harvesting, purification of drinking water, sewage treatment plant, like that. So this is our that MSME, this much space we are having. One conference room is there, incubation space is there, that one cafeteria is there, meeting room is there. All these facilities are there in our this business incubation center. Lab testing library is there, faculty support, computing facility with data system, high bandwidth internet facility. Now, what kind of support is provided to student who comes to us with some good business idea? Now see. So what we do, we encourage final year and third year students, and apart from that, faculty also, they can submit their own idea also. Okay. So a committee is there, okay, who examines all proposals. So after shortlisting, if an idea is shortlisted, so for that approved shortlisted idea, okay, we submit that idea to MSME. So there at MSME, they go through it, they analyze it, examine it, okay. So if they approve it, so for that approved idea, the Ministry of MSME provide 15 lakh per idea. Okay, for one idea, they provide 15 lakh. So for 15 lakh to develop that idea, basically, to do for 15 lakh, what you have to do? You need some kind of equipments, some kind of logistics, some kind of facilities, okay, some kind of consumable, non-consumable items, okay. So all these, you can do with 15 lakhs. That is 15 lakh is to develop that prototype. Okay, your idea is still in, that starting stage. Okay, you are having one idea. That idea has to be developed. That some prototype has to be developed, some design to be developed. Okay, so you can develop that idea with those 15 lakh. That all expenditure you can with this initial 15 lakh money. But that is not all about. Okay, again, once that prototype is approved by MSME, again, they will examine that prototype design. Then again, they may sanction 1 crore to commercialize that idea. So here, last year, before this lockdown, student as well as a faculty, okay, they participated in large numbers. Okay, our internal committee viewed all those ideas. Okay, so they shortlisted 17 ideas, different ideas. Okay, so those 17 ideas we submitted to Ministry of MSME. So those 17 ideas are still, under consideration there. So we are hopeful that majority of those ideas will be approved by Ministry of MSME. Now, this is sector-wise idea. Means business idea not only from you can propose from IT sector or only from CSE. No, different sectors are there. Okay, some MBA people are there, business, this MBA students are there. They can submit their business idea in marketing also. Okay. Another sector is aeronautic, aerospace and defense sector is there. Artificial intelligence is there. Animation is there. AR, VR. Okay, this virtual augmented reality, it is there. For biomedical field, they can also submit. Production field is there in mechanical, environmental management, plastic technology, okay, architecture, interior design, art and photography, automotives, chemicals, telecommunication networking, computer vision, construction design, non-renewable energy, renewable energy. So all these sectors are there where you can put, you can submit any idea, and funding will be done by the government. So here we have one pledged working MSME center is there, that is authorized by central government. The other sectors, green technologies, enterprise of fashion, food and beverages for this hotel management students, healthcare, life sciences, Internet of Things, nanotechnology, robotics, media and entertainment, sports, textile and apparel, transportation and storage, agriculture, logistics, airport operations, waste management, biotechnology, unmanned aerial vehicle. So these are some, different sectors where we can submit our ideas. Apart from that, now here, I show you this submitted proposal. So we submitted around 17, 18 proposals, okay, from, different sectors. Like one proposal is there, this single axis rotatory actuator for solar tracking system. So triple E students, okay, that falls under that sector, renewable energy. Second is our civil engineer students, they submitted manufacturing of cellular interlocking foam cement bricks. Okay. Then again, our this smart dollar, this CSC student, they have submitted e-waste management, submitted by our EC students. Okay, so like that, different smart tractors there, manufacturing fiber, reinforced hollow cement, smart home automation, that is under that sector, IoT, smart robotics toys, robotics, smart farming, agriculture sector. Okay. Identification of mineral waters, that falls under that, healthcare and life sciences, 6-stroke multi-cylinder engine, automotive sector, like that, around 17 different, okay, well, designed all these proposal we have submitted, and we are hopeful that majority of these proposal will get through that, screening of MSME. So after shortlisting, there will be initial fund of 15 lakh. So this is all about our, this business incubation activities. Okay. Now see, nowadays scenario is like that. That student must go for entrepreneurship also. Okay, they must look for entrepreneurship, because that culture we have developed in India. Earlier, people used to say that startup culture is not there in India. It will take some time. But you see in major Indian cities, Bombay, Bangalore, in Hyderabad. Okay, so there are startups, and many startups have been developed into full-fledged commercial ventures, and they are having their annual turnover of thousands of crores. Yeah, it is true. So my, this talk about today is about to encourage you to think about different ideas. Okay. You are being trained in different latest advanced technologies. So that technology we can put, we can put for some business idea. Okay. So, and there is, encouragement from government also to encourage to give fund to those ideas. So, I think I have explained you this in detail. So, it's all about from me. So, I hope uh, as a faculty, if you have listened it carefully, then you will be encouraged to do something in this incubation, and also you will encourage your students, okay, to come up with innovative ideas. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your information about MSME, and you have enlightened our students about the ideas to submit the ideas to the MSME. So all students will hope they can get an idea and they can get the funds from the MSME, and they can submit. So, but whichever the amount government is sanctioning, they can be utilized by mostly by our students. We hope the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants.